AI is too fast, my friend. I'm afraid I can't keep up.
WAN just released their latest model, WAN 2.5. It is safe to say this is our first free generator that can contend with Veo3. The new model not only generates video from text or images, but also adds synchronized audio so your clips actually feel alive. Today we're testing out WAN 2.5, the latest release that's making waves in the AI video space. This update promises better motion, higher prompt accuracy, and even built-in sound and lip sync. I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use it, generate cinematic clips, and test whether it really lives up to the hype. Stick around to the end because I'll also compare WAN 2.5 to other tools like Veo3 and give you my honest take on whether it's worth trying for your own projects. WAN 2.5 is the newest version of the WAN AI video generation model from Alibaba. At its core, it's designed to take simple inputs, like a text prompt, an image, or even both, and turn them into short video clips. But what makes WAN 2.5 different from the earlier versions is the focus on realism and immersion. With this release, you're not just getting better motion stability and cleaner frame transitions, you're also getting audio baked right into the generation process. That means lip sync, ambient sounds, and even music are generated alongside the visuals. Getting started is surprisingly simple. To access the platform, head over to WAN's official website. I'll link it in the description box below. Depending on when you're watching this, WAN 2.5 might still be an early release and can be accessed for free, so all you need is to create an account. Once you're inside, you'll see a clean dashboard. From here, you can start generating by typing your prompt here. You have different options here. You can create a video, photo, or avatar. In this tutorial, our focus shall be on video generation. There are different ways to generate your video, from image to video to text to video. However, keep in mind that the WAN 2.5 only works with the image to video or text to video. The next option here is the model, then the aspect ratio and the time limit. It has both a 5-second timer and a 10-second, which is longer than Veo3. It does have some things that Veo3 doesn't, such as this sound-driven editor. You can use an audio or video as sound sources and have them added to your generated videos. And lastly, here we get the camera angles and lenses as presets. It's quite similar to the same presets in Veo3 in Flow. Input your prompt here. This is where the magic happens. You type in what you want to see, the characters, setting, style, and mood. I'll paste my prompt here and generate. Preview and adjust settings. You can tweak duration. I'll change that to 5 seconds. I also recommend putting what you want your character to say in quotation marks. I love giving honest reviews, so please be aware that the free version makes you quick to get your output and the waiting period can be long. I'll use credits with this output. It only costs 5 credits.
AI is too fast, my friend. I'm afraid I can't keep up.
Let's generate another one using image to video, but this time I'll opt to use the free generation. You get unlimited free generations, but like I stated, there is a waiting line. I'll use this image of a girl being chased by zombies. First, switch the model to image to video and upload our image here. I'll then paste my prompt here and hit generate. As you can see here, it will cost me 0 credits. Now we play the waiting game.
I was born for this, buddy. Catch me if you can.
WAN 2.5 brings some serious upgrades that make it stand out in the crowded world of AI video tools and a great opponent to Veo3. Let's break down the highlights. Improved motion and stability. Earlier models sometimes looked jittery or robotic, but 2.5 smooths out camera movements and character animations. It feels more natural, almost cinematic. Previously, only Veo3 had this ability to generate both visuals and audio natively. With all other tools, you have to use lip syncing software, which doesn't always look natural or realistic. Audio integration is the big one. WAN 2.5 can generate synchronized audio directly with your video, whether it's lip sync for dialogue, background sounds, or even basic music. No more having to layer sound separately. Sharper details. The visuals now hold up better frame to frame, so you don't get as much warping or loss of detail during fast motion. Characters stay consistent, which is a huge plus for storytelling. When you compare Veo3 and WAN 2.5, the differences become pretty clear. Veo3 is already strong when it comes to cinematic video with synchronized audio. It generates dialogue, ambient sound, and even lip sync right out of the box. WAN 2.5, on the other hand, is the newer upgrade in the WAN lineup, and its biggest leap forward is also audio integration. Visually, both deliver impressive results, but WAN 2.5 has made big strides in consistency, reducing flicker and handling complex motion more smoothly than before. I wouldn't say that WAN 2.5 is better than Veo, but it's the closest competitor we have. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials and drop a comment letting me know. Are you Team Veo3 or Team WAN 2.5? Links to everything I mentioned are in the description if you want to try them out yourself. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.